Now to the sentencing trial of the Parkland school shooter. The judge dismissed an entire panel of potential jurors because of something overheard by a Broward sheriff's deputy. Now the judge said some of the jurors were mouthing threats at Nicholas Cruz under their mask. After being dismissed, one of the jurors turned around as if he wanted to charge the accused Parkland shooter. Cruz was seen in the courtroom after that incident and as a new jury panel was questioned.
Meantime, another big decision is now looming in the case concerning the jury selection process and whether or not the process will have to start all over again.
Yeah, CBS 4's Deborah Souverain joins us now live from Broward with more on this. Deborah.
Well, Candace and Maribel, the jury selection process hit a snag on Monday. That is when the judge decided to scrap a pool of 250 potential jurors, essentially saying to start the process all over again. But defense attorneys are hoping to change that. Now, prosecutors asked for the do-over after a series of missteps. The judge agreed to dismiss a potential pool of over 200 jurors after defense attorneys argued they should have been given a chance to question a group of 11 people who were dismissed earlier this month by the judge because they claimed they could not follow the law. Now, those 11 jurors were supposed to return on Monday, but because of a miscommunication, they were never notified to come back to court.
I get that there might be a difference of opinion on 10 jurors who unequivocally said they cannot and will not follow the law no matter what it is. Whether or not an appeals court is going to find that that's reversible error, I highly doubt it. In fact, I would put a 95% chance they will not.
And Candace and Maribel, the issue is this. Defense attorneys do not want to lose that initial pool of 250 jurors. So they'll be coming back to court today to make their legal arguments. And the judge says she may change her mind. We're live in Fort Lauderdale. I'm Deborah Souverain, CBS 4 This Morning.